Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix McDonald's app not adding to bag cart item availability fix. Fix 1. Force close and restart the app. On your iOS, you just have to swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the app switcher. Locate the McDonald's app in the app switcher. You just have to swipe up on the McDonald's app to force quit it. On your Android device, you just have to open your device setting, then navigate to apps, then select McDonald's from the list and tap on Force Close. Fix 2. Log out and back in. You just have to open the McDonald's app, then navigate to More or Account tab. Then tap on Sign in, then close the app completely and reopen the app and log in back in. Fix 3. Clear cache. On your Android, navigate to Setting and select App and choose the McDonald app from the list. And then you have to tap on Storage and select Clear cache. On your iPhone, navigate to Phone Settings, then General, then click on iPhone Storage. Then select the McDonald app you want to offload, then you have to tap on Offload to free up the storage. Fix 4. Check for updates. You just have to open the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, search for McDonald, check for an update button, then tap on the update button if visible to get the latest software version. Fix 5. Uninstall and reinstall. You just have to press and hold the McDonald app icon on your home screen. Then select the uninstall or remove app. Then once that is done, you just have to restart the phone completely and re-download the application from your respective app store. Thanks for watching.